In this lecture, let us discuss a problem on distance matrix to perform single link and complete link hierarchical clustering. So it shows your results by drawing a dendogram. Okay, so the dendogram should clearly show the order in which the points are merged. So here is a distance matrix that is given to you. Now when you look at the diagonal, it is between the point itself, distance between the point itself, so that becomes 0. So P1, distance between P2 is 0.1. The distance from P1 to P3 is 0.41. Distance from P1 to P4 is 0.55. And distance from P1 to P5 is 0.35. Now here is the first one is the single linkage dendogram, right? So this is the distance. So it varies from 0.1 to 0.4. So here we have P1 connecting to P2. The distance from P1 to P2 is 0.1, right? So we have given 0.1, okay? So next, the nearest distance. So this is when we see the distance from P1 to P2, this is the nearest one. So we have linked P1 and P2 first. So next is, we have got the distance between P3 is 0.41, P4 is 0.55 and P5 is 0.35. Now what we are going to do, we will be taking P5 next because this is the next nearest point. So the distance from P5 and P1 to P5 is 0.35. So we have drawn a link from P5. So this is 0.35. So the next nearest point is P3, so it is at 0.41. So we have drawn a point here, 0.41. So the next nearest point is P4, so that is 0.55. So we have drawn a line for 0.55. So this is how we have drawn the single linkage dendogram. So next is complete linkage dendogram. So basically the idea is we will be taking the farthest point, okay? So initially we have drawn a link between P1 and P2 and next we have selected the point based on the farthest distance, okay? So here when you see P1 and P2, it is having a distance 0.1. So we have drawn that. Next we have got P3 and P4. So look at the distance between P3 and P4, it is 0.44, right? So we have drawn a point for 0.44 and we have linked them. Next is we have linked this and this, okay? So look at the farthest point, okay? So P2 and P3 are linked with 0.64, okay? So here we have given a link between P2 and P3, that is 0.64. Next we have linked the farthest point. We have selected the farthest point. Which is the farthest point? It is 0.98. So it is between P5 and P2. Okay. So we have taken this point and we have given 0.98 and that becomes 0.95. So this is how we have given complete linkage dendogram, and this can vary. Okay. So but give the linkages in an order. So we have taken the subsequent wedges with the farthest point in the clusters. So these dendograms clearly show the order of merging both linkage strategies. Okay. So you can also try another way of connecting them. Okay. Thank you.